Hello everyone. Today we are going to begin exercise 8.3 mathematics class 7 question number 7. First let us read the question. Chalk contains calcium, carbon, oxygen in the ratio 10:3:12. Find the percentage of carbon in chalk. Chalk contains calcium, carbon, oxygen. It given in the form of ratio 10:3:2. So first, before going to the answer, let us start. Given things, let us take down. Given ratio 10:3:2. Total part, let us find out. When we are finding the percentage, we must know the total. So 10 plus 3 plus 12 is equal to 25. Percentage of carbon. The carbon is only 3 out of 25. So you have written in the form of fraction 3 upon 25. Percentage of carbon part in a chalk 3 into 25 multiplied by 100. Why we are multiplying by 100? Because to find the percentage. Whenever you require any percentage, we have to multiply it by 100. So 25 ones are 25 fours are 4 threes are, you are going to get the answer 12%. Dear, here the main thing is that you can simplify 25 ones are 25 fours are 4 threes are 12%. So let us go to the sub question. If in a stick of chalk carbon is 3 gram, what is the weight of this chalk stick? So we have to calculate the chalk weight. Go for the answer. Quantity of carbon in chalk stick is 3 gram. Let the weight of chalk be x gram. We don't know that, so let us take it as x. The 12% of x is equal to 3. Already we know that the percentage we have found is 12. 12% of chalk. Chalk weight is x. We don't know, so is equal to 3 gram. So this one, now if we write, it is easy to calculate. 12%, 12 upon 100 of word indicates multiplication. So x is equal to 3. Now continued part. Keep to solve, find the value of x. Let us keep the x here in the left hand side. If we take 100 up, it goes cross multiplication. 100 goes up. 3 into 100. 12 comes down. So 12. So 12, and if we go for simplification, 3 ones are 3 fours are. 3 ones are 3 fours are. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. 2 is left 4. So you are getting the answer 25 gram. Hence the weight of the chalk stick is 25 gram. Next, Amina buy a book for rupees 275 and it sells for loss of 15%. How much does it sell for? So let us write the solution. Given the cost of book is rupees 275, even loss percent they given, loss percent is 15%. So loss is equal to loss percent of cost price. Loss, we have to find out the selling price. So they given the loss percentage. Loss is equal to loss percent of cost price. Loss is equal to 15% of 275. 275 is the rate. So rupees 275. Let us now, loss percent is 15%. So 15 upon 100 multiplied by 275. The off word indicates multiplication. So if we simplify it, we are going to get 41.25. 41.25. You can do aside also. If once we got the loss is 41 rupees 25 paise, Therefore, how to calculate the selling price? Selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Minus loss. If we find out the loss, we will come to know. So loss already we have calculated. 275 minus 41 rupees 25. So we are going to get the selling price is 233.75. Hence Amina sell a book for rupees 233.75 rupees. Hope you understood how to solve these problems. If you have any queries, put it in the comment box and I am going to help you. Thank you.